everyone, this is Diwas Sunam. Welcome to my channel again, Learn with Diwas. Yes, now again we are doing the quadratic equation. Now this is the seventh part. We are day by day we are increasing the level, or day by day we are increasing the part also. And this is the seventh part of the quadratic equations. Follow all those parts who are new to my videos. Follows all the part, so that you can learn whatever the questions we have done there. Just watch all my videos. Now this is the seventh part of the quadratic equations. Seventh part. Yes. Now the questions already have written here. Now we will do. Yes. This is the question. Okay. Now x square, x and 1. The LCM is x square only, because x square is bigger than x 1. Only x square you have to write. Divide this x square by x. X square 1 is 1 only. Then 2 1 is 2. Minus. Divide this x square by x. X square by x. Now there is only x. That means x goes here. 5 into x, 5x. Again plus. Divide this x square by 1. Then answer is how much? X square only. That means x square goes here. Then 2 into x square, 2x square equals to 0. Again x square and x, LCM x square. Then divide this x square by x square, 1 only, 2 1 is 2, minus that means divide this x square by x, x into x square, x only, x goes here, 5 into x, 5x square. Then divide this x square by 1 x square is x, that means x square only. Then x square go out here, 2 into x square, 2x square equals to 0, 0 by 1. Then cross multiply. Okay, 2 minus 5x plus 2x square, then x square into 0, 0 only. Then okay, whenever the formation is like this, we have to write in a in arranging form, in a power. See the power, then you can write. That means 2x square minus 5x then plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, then 2x square we have written here, then minus 5x plus 2 we have written over there. Then again the middle term, that means factorization middle term. Plus into plus, plus only 2 to the 4. Okay, by multiplying you should get the 4. By adding you must get 5. Now the series is changed. Now the label is changed. By multiplying you must get 4, no problem. By adding, because of this sign, by adding you must get 5. Very very simple. What is the number? You have think in your mind. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. That means 4 plus 1 is how much? 5 again. 4 plus 1 is how much? 5 again. That means 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. Then 4 into 1, 4 also. By multiplying we should get 4. By adding, because of this sign, we must get 5. That means 4 plus 1. Okay. Then 2x square minus 4 plus 1 x plus 2 equals to 0. Now again 2x square minus into plus minus 4x minus into plus minus 1x plus 2 equals to 0. Now after this, okay, now we have to take the common. 2 and 4, 2 is common, because 2 can be divided by 2 and 4 can be divided by 2. X square and x is only common. Then how much left? Only x, because 2x into x, 2x square, then minus, then 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4, because 2 and 4, 2 is common. Yes, no doubt, because 2 can be divided by 2, 4 can be divided by 2 only. X square and x is common only. Then how much left? X, because there is 2x square, x double. We have taken x is only left, then minus, then 2 to the 4. X already we have taken common, no need to write. Then minus, there is no common, write 1. Then x, then minus into plus minus, then write 2 equals to 0. Okay, if there is no common, write 1. Minus 1 x, when you take as a minus sign, this sign will be changed. That means minus into minus plus. Now after this, okay, x minus 2, write x minus 2 only. Then 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, after this again, therefore x minus 2 equals to 0, or 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, x equals to 0, minus becomes plus, plus 2, first answer, and again 0 plus 1, then 2x equals to 0 plus 1 will be 1. Understood? Then again x equals to 1 by 2. Now there is two answer. Okay, first answer is how much? X equals to 2. Then second answer is 2x equals to 1 by 2. This is the final answer. Now this much for the today's video. In my upcoming videos we will do the much bigger questions, much harder questions, but that one is also interesting. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel, so that again if you want to share anything, you can share also. And please do not forget to press the bell icon also, so that you will get the notification of next video. Thank you.